everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Beatrice and today we're going to do a baby nursery for Marcella's room. Okay, if you're interested and you just need to get some ideas, hopefully you get something out of this video of this room tour. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell for notifications. I upload every single day on this channel. Okay, let's get started. I first came up with the name before I started on this room. The name Marcella had a meaning to me, and I just got the letters at Walmart for $1.97, and then I got some spray paint at Michael's and I spray painted it gold. And then I got these cheap stickers on Amazon. It's like party stickers, and I just put it on her wall. So this rocking chair I got off the Let Go app, and it came blue, but my mom took the time and she put these little cupcake material on here. She got this, I believe at Walmart. And then she made some, I have these orange pillows I just had for the longest, and she just added fabric to two of these pillows right here. And this is a monkey my mom gave the baby when she was born, and then this is just an old Valentine's gift, and this right here makes music somehow. You just gotta turn it on in the back, and so the baby can be looking up, listening to the music. But this crib right here I got at Target. So that's everything for this wall, and it's next to the door. Okay, so now let's start with this wall. So for the baby room, I wanted to reuse the things that I used at the baby shower and put it in the baby room. So there was a link on Pinterest, and I was able to print out this little link, and I just got those same stickers that I got off from Amazon, and I had everybody to sign their name on it. And then I got this frame at Dollar Tree, a big Dollar Tree frame. Is 11 by 14. I can see it at the top because I didn't even tape it properly. And so I wanted to hold on to all the people who came. And so this one is from my baby shower on my husband's side, and so that's one side. And then I had my family came, and I made sure everybody signed their name, and I used the same baby shower decorations, and I just used the Dollar Tree frame. So I spray painted the frame, just regular spray paint, the same spray paint I use for the letters. Right here is another baby shower idea I had, and I got these right here from Dollar Tree. And I had these old Prego sauce containers that I just held on to because I just believed that I was gonna have another baby. I just spray painted these gold. I got this ribbon from Michael's, and I got the letters from Michael's, and I just spray painted all of it gold. My theme was gold, pink, and white. I have this walker I got at Walmart from my sister, and I have this little chair for the baby from Walmart as well. This was given to me from my sister-in-law house, and you can see that the carpet is not even done. But that is this side right here. Alright, so here's the other side. Okay, so this is an old frame I had at Target, and it was orange and it had flowers on it, and I spray painted it white. And then I had these old ribbons that I used for the baby shower, and I just put, I just glued it, and I used those same stickers that I got on Amazon. But this part of the decorations is just gonna be a progression frame. And right here is her changing bed. I got this whole thing for $20 on Let Go. This came with it, and what I like to do is all dirty right now. But what I like to do is I like to have this when she have her messy diaper times, and then I got diapers, and then I have wipes, and this is all her blankets. All right, so next I got these letters at Walmart. Girl, these same letters I think I used for the baby shower. I'm not sure. I just recycle. So this is just a regular Valentine's gift that makes noise. But I have to put this on top of the wipe warmer because it lifts up. Then I have coconut oil for her hair, Vaseline for her body, spray for when she stinks, and then some hand sanitizer. This dress, I just went to a regular furniture place. It was $100. It was already put together. And detail cleaning. I actually detailed and folded all her onesies. This is her two pieces. These are her shirts with her shorts. And these is just more onesies. And these are her two pieces. Those two pieces where the bottoms are underwear. And then at the bottom, these are her winter warm clothes, like at nighttime, her little onesies and long sleeve. This is the bassinet that was $20. I just spray painted it and I just washed the fabric on there. And here go the baby one, the baby decorations I use for the baby shower. I just recycled. The curtains were $5. It's the sheer curtains that I got at Fallas Perellas. They are hanging from a thread because I do not know how to put up a curtain or a blind. So it's nothing on the wall, but this is her hamper that I got at the Walmart for $7. And here is the organizing container baskets that I have. So I have her medicine, her hair products, her hair bows, her comb, her brush, her rubber bands. These are her products, like all kinds of products like skin, hair, body wash, mostly body wash. This basket is for towels. And then I just use these regular stickers that you're supposed to put on these little these little envelopes. I just had these laying around. I just used the marker and I just labeled it like that. I have bibs, socks and shoes, toys, and this is just pretty much anonymous, but they're kind of falling off. But I put her trash containers, her trash bags, her monitor. We barely use the monitor. I might give that away. This right here is to put her baby bag on, but I barely use that. I got that for $1, and that is her closet. So let's open this closet up. Her clothes are hung up, but I'm using it as storage. A little tip: every time you go through a box of diapers, use it as storage to put the old clothes in because she's going to be growing so fast. Alright, right here is just another frame I had just laying around, and I spray painted it gold. I used those same stickers and I just put her birthday, January 11th, 2018, and then just these little old sock containers, and I spray painted that just to replicate that's the size of her feet. This right here is an ultrasound picture of when she was, I believe, 6 months in my stomach, and just a Dollar Tree frame. I just spray painted it, and then I just used regular art paper, and same thing for this one. And then this is the sign that I have that said please sign your name on a circle, and so that was the message on how everybody can sign, just so the baby can remember that everybody attended. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching Baby Marcella's room tour. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.